Aha, aye, Attention TV, eso. Follow, like, comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook. I was saying in say a Banogana mem say a politician bakwa or you're very, very controversial. I know you say or stand for the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Onwa any honorable Kennedy Agyapong or war NPP amemunu emu. Na ye name himself honorable Kennedy Agyapong akoye be say any there or running for presidential seat at the ma NPP amemunu na ene wo kopie mu e wo net to or den semba konunu bi abeto aponte a wechi ma kire say eye ne name say honorable Kennedy Agyapong ye obi a we journalist na wo be interview na and the research fan there was say we ye ne papa eye na we ana journalist no ko bisa ne say na edem pa ana yehwa on paper ewo NPP amemunu ho ye ba ne communication side na we ana honorable Kennedy Agyapong say eye pan so bisa me sa asem no because asem na kasa no omuhu kra nye mehi say abo a watu kohio no kasa sanso butu so pese kohio ne pan na sanso say obi a enye bi enie wan fa so amfansi ho sanso kire mu kire say yekoya mamemu ana say yeko amamemu a ekamia koyese mpinifo no ekopie mu parliament a eya na bribe and corruption bi ana say mama bi ekoso wo ho a anas areme yaw anas ayi na ebe kai say mbre bi etwemu no ode expose bi ebeto dwa no ai anas no amanensa akeka videos ba ko mienu bi a efa emahwebedwemfo ya wo kotenase a eya mambi wo ye ewo honomo honorable Kennedy Agyapong eden semebre atutu dwa yenko na yenkotena no die embra
be fired immediately.
What are your reasons?
Your communication are breaking down completely. Let me show you. I'm here communication director. At least Nana Kumia aye am mehumpen.
Okay.
And me your communication director. Me running is a business. Business maybe say every week I'll have a meeting with Obia Otumikasa to say hopes in Adoe. Kwambafo abronye me aminipa aduma ko be fi
the morning
yeah what you say
okay
osu bempa no ne yi no na oni o mohia before say oni o mbehia at least what one ministry any minister at Tenase the project are 1 year for the 5 years development in his sector.
Okay.
No one. You go and sit there and brief these communicators so that they also spread the word.
Okay.
Okay? And yet, Minister of Information, because Minister of Information, on what government propagandist. So
okay.
Indeed, not everybody listens. But all the man communicators know a constituencies.
No more so
disseminated to grassroots communicators.
Okay.
No more so come once and
na serial callers, ne texters.
Yeah.
So
almost all
right.
Mr. Say ya boabnya samwasano ye. Menkasem jiro. Safu ye witness. Me I campaign for him. Amam for ba e di complain ba say ya boabnya samwa. Me so munya butre. Ko na omuyen and our friend Chrome fan phone. A whole lot of things, and I'm saying, please, you hear numbers, and I beg you, Montua Barman. I'm saying, now who I can say, wouldn't as someone or come farm, so forget about it. And you'll be on the power some more party, you know. Let's vote for him because of the party. One day, I got here, na safu furiously. Had they are. I'll say, Oman FM focus ya boabia samwa first lady's office. Ena boy no kase oh honorable yehu Oman FM che hu mi acha meden o boss na otena wa odi di obi atem ne yi no mema
wow
yeah ya boabia samwa before you became a minister ultimately na bob by 11:30 p.m. Oman FM brought you to power. Also, they should forget about it and do it for him. What you say? Also lose you. Opa mumisa adenta for reason here. Tuti Ayabu Abiazamo. A browser communication director. I will now disseminate information, party projects, development, air course. That's how to become the only and only station speaking for government. Now, your spokesperson say on Massa station, you know.
I say Bonibena station, yeah, you know.
I was saying, me Kasa didn't go for them any. Now, or out to be a man. I dear me buy NPP for. May release announce videos because I'm paying for no and they're starting. I'm advising them to stay away from that. Obia me can't hear me say internal matters. O can't hear me say internal matters.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong broko piemo e wona Tvgh some okohwegu edigu honom no ana ede abesomo e attention TV so e bo se ma menka wo second University Foundation ana asomasna mlijumedie e ba besomo ne number and 0548302985. Keep subscribing, keep following, like, comment and also share. Keep watching Attention TV. We inspire you more.